How to turn off the touch bezel swipe vibration. So this is for the Watch 6, Watch 6 Pro here, and you'll have this here that when you do this on the side here, your watch will vibrate. This is for both the Watch 5 and the Watch 6 here. And if you want to turn off that vibration here, this is where you'll go to do this. So from the clock face view mode, swipe down from the top like this here, like that until you get this right there, and you'll tap on settings. Once you're in the settings of your watch, go down to the general section. So go down until you see that, right? So go down and right there. Okay, so you'll see general, and the first one should be the touch bezel option right here. As you tap on that there, and if you want that feature itself to be on, the swiping of the bezel, that's the setting right here. But the vibration would be this right here. So turning this one off or on would be for just this vibration. So when you have it on, you'll feel a vibration from your watch now. But if you don't want it off, if you don't want it on, I'm sorry, then you'll turn this off here, okay? So that's where you would go to do this, and like and sub, okay? Thanks for watching.